Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Preston, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right long-distance moving services to make things easier for you, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you need to relocate 100 miles away or further, we're the right moving company for your needs. Our team knows how to get you there faster and easier. It's stressful to move a new city. We take some of the stress away by doing the hard work for you. If you're looking for an Idaho moving company for your local move, you need to choose the right company. With good movers, your local move becomes so much easier. You won't have to worry about all the heavy lifting, and you'll save a ton of time. 3 Movers is a top local moving company, and we understand that moving can be a stressful experience. We work hard to make the process as smooth and as easy as possible for our customers. We also offer packing and unpacking services so you can leave all the hard work to us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Preston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.